Hi, welcome to Fusion Kitchen. I'm also an author and I've just published my latest book, Midnight Tollywood. If you're interested, please check out the description box below. I'm still currently writing. Now I have made a lemon pie. This pie is a perfect dessert for a dinner party for a few guests. Now, the original recipe for lemon pie is a Philadelphia invention born out of the Victorian era by a lady called Elizabeth Goodfellow. In the 19th century, she had a pastry shop and she also ran America's first cooking school. This pie is a classic, so we are going to start now. First, I have taken 1.5 cups of crushed digestive biscuits, and I have also used 80 grams of butter. You can use melted butter, but I have just used softened butter. So basically, you remove the butter from the fridge and you keep it out at room temperature and it softens within a few minutes. Now, I have ground the digestive biscuits, but I have not ground the digestive biscuits with the butter. This you can do either together in the mixer or you can do it separately as I have done. The choice is yours. I have combined the mixture together. Now I have used a 6-inch springform pan. You can also use a cake pan, but remember to keep the parchment high so that it can be easily lifted from the pan later on. This is very important. I have used a springform pan which has a removable bottom and it's easy then to remove the pie from the pan, but a cake pan can work equally well also as long as you're using parchment paper. Smoothen out the crust base carefully. Be careful of the sides also because this is very important because this means that the pie will have a proper round shape. So take trouble to smoothen it out. It doesn't matter if the surface area is not very smooth because it's going to be covered up anyway. Now I've kept it in the freezer for about 20-30 minutes. If it doesn't harden by 20-30 minutes, put it for 10 or 15 minutes more. Now we're going to prepare the filling. First, in a bowl, we are going to take about half cup of lemon juice and I've taken 1 tablespoon of gelatin. If you're not using gelatin, you can use agar-agar powder. That's a vegetarian substitute. Now I've used low heat and I've dissolved the gelatin in the lemon juice. I've used a whisk also. I feel it's very important that the gelatin is completely incorporated and there are no lumps, because if there are lumps, you will find that the pie later on when it hardens, it gets lumps. Now once this is done, keep it aside. In another bowl, I have used about 400 grams of condensed milk and I've used half cup of butter. See, the butter is soft. Therefore, before making the pie, keep all the ingredients at room temperature. I have used caster sugar, about 4 tablespoons. You can also use granulated sugar, but I have used caster sugar. Then I have used 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. So basically, in this recipe, the total amount of lemon juice is half cup plus 1 tablespoon. That is about 9 tablespoons in total. Now using an electric whisk, I have to incorporate all the ingredients that we've added in the bowl properly. You can also use your hand, but I find that an electric whisk gets better results because the mixture gets air incorporated into it and it gets very fluffy. Now we're going to add the gelatin and lemon mixture which we had heated up under low flame. And using an electric whisk, I have whisked it very well till it is incorporated. As I have said before, there should be no lumps in the gelatin. Please make sure that there are no lumps at all and it is very well incorporated. Take at least 2 to 3 minutes to incorporate the gelatin and the lemon mixture in the condensed milk mixture in the bowl. Now you will find that once the crust has hardened, which should take about 30 minutes at least, you can now add the pie filling to this crust. Smoothen it out to the best of your ability. You can also tap it be careful of the sides and smoothen it out, so because that gives you a very clear round shape when you take trouble over smoothing out the sides. Once this is done, place it in the refrigerator and not in the freezer. Now for the garnishing, I have used candied lemon slices. So basically in a pan or skillet, I have taken about 3/4 cup of water and taken 1 cup of granulated sugar. I have cut up lemon slices finely, but not too finely. Now we are going to simmer these lemon slices in the sugar syrup. Keep it on low flame and simmer it for about 20-30 minutes till they get a little bit transparent. And then we're going to remove it and place it on parchment. Now you can dry it overnight if you want, but if you have no time, you can just keep it for about 1 hour to dry up on the parchment, because either way they'll always be slightly sticky. You can also dip them in sugar if you like. I haven't done so. Now I have kept the pie to harden overnight because this I find gives best results, especially in the summer months. Now I am using the candied peel that I had made earlier to garnish the pie. Cut and serve. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.